Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn case study files with Box, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Find the case study files you want to back up. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select Posts and Activity from the drop-down menu. Locate the specific case study post that contains the files. Click on the post to open it in full view. Look for any attachments or links included in the post. Download each file individually to your computer. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to box.com. Log into your Box account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, click on the New button or icon. Choose the folder option to create a new folder for your files. Name the folder something descriptive, like LinkedIn Case Studies. Open the newly created folder. Click on the Upload button. Choose Files from the drop-down menu. Select the downloaded case study files from your device. Click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a moment based on file size. Once uploaded, verify that all files are present in the Box folder. You can arrange them as needed using the sorting options. To ensure secure access, adjust the sharing settings if necessary. Now, your LinkedIn case study files are safely backed up on Box. Regularly repeat this process to keep your backups up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.